Hi, in front of me I have ZTE Nubia Z9 Max, and I'm gonna show you how to enter the Fastboot mode on this device. First, let's turn the phone off, and to do it, press and hold the power button, then tap on power off, after the phone turns off, press and hold the power button and volume down button together. And after a few seconds, we enter the Fastboot mode. You can move through the menu by using the volume keys, and you can confirm the selection by pressing the power button. To exit this mode, you just need to select Reboot System Now, and then press the power button to confirm. And that's how you enter the Fastboot mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.